This evening we're running a Moki 1.8 that I have rcexl ignition on. I've made a mounting bracket to put a Tillotson carburetor on it, and it's a carburetor off a Quadra 35. This is a Moki 1.8, and it is currently running on Coleman fuel and 16:1. That's 2 ounces of oil to a quart of fuel, and it's been running very well. This is actually the first day of running it, the third tank, 6-ounce tank through it. I am running an APC 20x8 prop on this, and it's a 6-ounce fuel tank. It's running very good. It's turning 74 to 7,500 RPMs. I may have to adjust the idle some. I will go to a 20:1 mix shortly. Basically, it's a new engine. It's never been in the air, and thank you for watching.